Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So we got some more Harbor Freight deals coming our way. This is the leaked ad for the Spring Black Friday sale. This one's not starting until April 7th. So from the April 7th through the 10th, that's going to be the Inside Track Club members. And then everyone saves starting Friday, April 11th through April 14th. So we're going to go ahead and check out the ad, but I also want to compare some of these prices to previous prices so we can actually see if we're getting a good deal. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first up, right on the top left in the yellow there, we got the 800 lumen Icon rechargeable slim bar work light. This is in 4 different colors. $23.99, not a bad pickup on this one. Normally $39.99. This has got the magnetic base, pretty similar to the Braun work light, just a little bit better quality. Then next to that, we got the magnetic tool holder for $1.94. We got some 7mm gloves, 50 pack for under $7. 14-piece combination wrench set for $20. 4-pack of the foam mats for $8, and then we got the 4-pack of the 400-pound capacity ratcheting straps for under $6. Then we got the US General 56-inch roll cab available in 8 different colors. You're getting $100 off on this, bringing the price down to $800. Next to that, the Vonnie Airless Paint Primer and Stain Sprayer. They dropped the price on this one. The previous parking lot sale, they had this for $199. But they got it for the Spring Black Friday sale for $189. So if you've been waiting for this one, this would be a good time to pick it up. They got another good deal with the Predator gas-powered earth auger, $169.99. Previous sales, this was $199. So another good pickup there. And then all the way to the right, we got the Predator 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. Another good deal. $789.99. I've seen this in previous sales for around $799. So there's another item if you guys have been looking at. Definitely a good time to buy it during the Spring Black Friday sale. All right, next up on the first page, look at this. In stores only, they're doing some more deals on Icon tools. So this is going to be for the Icon pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers. 35% off. So if you guys have been looking to add to your Icon collection, this will be a good opportunity for you. Next to that, another in stores only, 35% off all jack stands. Now, when I seen this, I was kind of confused a little bit because I did some rough math and this didn't seem like it came out to be a really good deal. Now, maybe my math's wrong, but when I figured out what the price on, say, the 3-ton Daytona Jack stands would be, normal price is $50 on these. So if you take off the 35%, like I said, if my math is right, you're getting a discount of about $17.50, which is bringing the price down to $32.50 on those. That's not really a good deal compared to previous sales. I've seen these jack stands as low as $25, and then one of the previous sales just recently, they were at $28. So not sure what's going on with the jack stands, but in my opinion, not a really good deal. And then all the way to the left, we got in stores only, 50% off all welding, wire, rods, and tips. Down below, we got the Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile floor jack, $90 for that. Portland electric pole saw for $50, and then we got the Icon shop seat, $70 for that, pretty good deal. Bauer 2300 pressure washer for $190, and then we got the Badlands Apex 12,000-pound winch, wireless remote included, for $480. So bottom left, we got a deal going on with the cable ties. Kind of hard to see what's going on there with this picture. Next to that, we got the utility knife for $4.80. Got the step bit 2-piece for $10. American flag for $4. Next to that, we got the Apache 3800 protective case available in 3 different colors. $23 for that, not too bad. And then we got the batteries, 24-pack of either the double A's or triple A's for under $5. I just picked up the blue ones from the parking lot sale, and those seem to work pretty good. I like those. All right, on to the second page. I got a few things up there in the yellow. We got the blue tarp for $3. They actually dropped the price on the backpack sprayer. Previous sale was like $22. They finally dropped it back down to $20. We got the spray nozzle, the hose, player set, and then we got the electronic fly swatter for $2.50. Jump into the Predator generators. So we got the 13,000 watt tri-fuel. Similar price that we seen in the last sale, $1,000 for that. The 9,500, same thing. similar price at $1,800. Still both good deals, but nothing really changed with those prices. So if you missed those deals at the last parking lot sale, you're going to have a chance at them again. Then we go to the 3500 watt. That's going to be $600. Below that, they got the 6.5 horse Predator engine, $100, pretty good deal there. The 212cc semi-trash water pump for $220, and then we got the 6.5 horsepower chipper shredder for $480. Now that's a pretty good deal on the chipper shredder because previous sale they had this marked for $500, so you're actually getting it cheaper during the spring Black Friday sale. All the way to the right, we got the 1,200 pound capacity steel cart. $140 for that one, and then we got a couple Portland products. Got the 14-inch electric chainsaw, $35, and then a pretty good deal here for the electric pressure washer, $67.99. The previous sale was $70, so you're getting a couple dollars off on that. Another Apache deal. So we got the 9800 rifle case down to $100 again, available in 3 different colors. I actually own this really nice case. And then next to that, we got the Vonnie handheld sprayer. So you guys that picked it up currently, I think you guys were able to get it for $50 with that spring into coupon sale that ends on March 23rd. Next to that, we got the pop-up 10-foot by 10-foot canopy, $48. And then we got the Cover Pro 10-foot by 17-foot car canopy down to $170. All right, so we jump into some Welders. Pretty good deal on the Chicago Electric Flux 125. This is down to $95, usually around $100. They got the same price on the Titanium Easy Flux 125. So if you missed it at the last parking lot sale, same price, $120. I own both of these. I just upgraded to the Titanium 125. Picked it up at the last parking lot sale. And don't be like me. If you guys are trying to pick between these two Welders, spend a little bit extra money and get the Titanium 125. It's just a way better welder. And then not such a good deal is the 200 Professional by Titanium. This is the multi-process welder. $6.99 for this. Actually, we've seen better deals in the past at $600. So you might want to wait on that one. And then all the way to the right, we got the welding table for $150. Down in the yellow, we got the hardwood dolly for $13. We got the 10-pack of electrical tape for $5. Pneumatic tire for $5. Another utility knife for $4. Got the 14-in-1 painter's tool for $3.32. And then all the way to the right, we got the 30 caliber metal ammo can for $9. All right, on to the next page. This is kind of hard to see at the top. This is the best version of the leaked ad I could get. But we got the safety glasses for 98 cents. 29-piece titanium drill bit set for $10. Got the clamp for $1. Looks like you can choose from a couple different hammers, the rip or the claw for under $4. And then next to the hammers, I think that is the Warrior 12-volt drill kit. So that's going to come with your battery and charger. They did drop that a couple more bucks down to $14.99. And then we got some sanding discs, 15-pack for under $7. Below that, we got some compressors. So first up are the Fortress 27-gallon or the 26-gallon, your choice. They got $50 off on those, bringing the price down to $350. And then right below, we got some McGraw compressors, prices that we've seen before. So we got the 3-gallon, your choice, pancake or hot dog for $50. And then next to that, we got the 21-gallon vertical compressor for $250. Over to the right, we got some Hercules deals. So the 12-inch dual bevel compound miter saw, $300 for that, normal sale price. The 15-amp thickness planer for $350. We also got the 12-amp SDS for $170, and then the random orbit sander for $40. All right, drop down to the second half of this page. So we got the Earthquake XT half-inch impact wrench, $80 for that, pretty decent deal. Below that, we got the Merlin retractable air hose for $80. And then to the right of those, we got the Bauer deals. So we got half-inch drill driver kit, comes with your battery and charger for $50. You got the Bauer toolbox for $50. And then we got the short throw random orbit DA polisher and sander for $35. Typical sale price on that, but still a pretty good deal. Half-inch high torque impact wrench kit comes with the 5-amp-hour battery for $140. Usually just for the tool, it's around $100. And last year's Black Friday sale, they actually had this for $130. And then we got the 1/2-inch impact wrench with rocker switch, 8.5 amp for $50, and then the 6-gallon wet and dry vac for $45. Down at the bottom page, we got the Bauer heat gun for $25. If you guys are just looking for a cheap heat gun, usually during the parking lot sales, they got the Warrior 1500 watt down to $10. I actually own it. Pretty decent heat gun, and that's going to be more than half the price of the Bauer. 450 lumen pen light for $14. Stud finder for $12. Got the 7-inch brush for $1.50. 3-piece adjustable wrench set for under $8, and then the 7-inch rafter square for under $5. All right, on to the last page. So we got some pry bars up in the yellow for $10. It's a 4-piece set. Shop towels for $2.30. Got your bungee cords, kind of normal stuff. The magnetic parts holder for $2. Some magnetic hooks, and the 1/2-inch drive breaker bar. Now we'll jump down to the U.S. General tool cart. So this is actually the 4-drawer, not the 5-drawer. So they got this for $170. Now, two things with this tool cart. They just previously had the 5-drawer at the parking lot sale for $189. In my opinion, for $20 more, I would just get the 5-drawer tool cart when it's back on sale. But also, a $170 isn't the lowest price that we've seen for the 4-drawer tool cart. Back in February, they were doing a deal for the ITC members that you could pick up this cart for $149. So this probably isn't the best deal you'll be able to get on this cart. Next to that, they got the newer long reach Daytona 3-ton professional jack, $180. And then next to that, they got Daytona self-loading wheel dollies for $89.99. Another item just a few months ago at the Black Friday sale was actually a little bit cheaper at $80. All the way over to the right, we got the Pittsburgh 2-ton foldable shop crane, $309.99 for this. Previous sales, we've seen this at $300. Skip over to the Badlands winches, so 9,500 pound winch, wire rope $280, and then the 5,000 pound UTV winch for $150. Got the Viking 1000 peak jump starter with the power bank, $64.99. Once again, another item not at its lowest price we've seen. Just a couple months ago, they had this for $60. And then all the way to the right, we got the ramp set for $45. All right, on to the bottom of the last page. So we got the Icon ball joint and universal joint press set for $180. We got the Braun 10,000 lumen shop light for $35. They got the liquidation sale, so it's remember it's up to 78% off. Open box as is, factory condition, scratch and dent items, and that's going to be on a first come first serve basis and depending on what your store has. Below that, we got some Yukon deals. So we got the workbench with lights. That's the 48-inch for $100. 46-inch 9-drawer cabinet for $300. Normal sale price on that. And then the 5-tier shelf for $40. Jump all the way over to the left where the Quinn tools are. So 428-piece tool set, $300, and then they got the 301-piece Pittsburgh tool set for $170. Bottom of the page, we got some Hardy gloves for $350, 1,250 lumen work light for $20, some fuses. Got the trailer hitch for $25, 12 outlet metal power strip for $15, and then all the way to the right, we got the Pittsburgh 3H drive ratchet with sockets, 21-piece for $18. All right, guys, so that's what we have to look forward to for the next big sale at Harbor Freight. I just kind of want to do a deep dive into the prices so you know what deals are good and what deals aren't so good. All the price comparisons I used were from recent sales. Let me know what you guys think about these deals in the comment section below. Hopefully this video was informative for you. If it was, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.